Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So we all are aware that nowadays every brand is working to get the best AI features on their devices. Today in this video we'll talk about all the AI features what OnePlus have added on their smartphones. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. In our case I'll be using OnePlus Nord 4 because this is the only device which has maximum AI features and this is the only device officially running OxygenOS 14.1. But before starting with this video, if you guys are new to this channel and you find our content useful, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So the first implementation of AI is done in the camera application. So first of all, let me clear the storage of this camera application so that I can show you guys the pop-up. Whenever you open the camera for the first time, you will see this pop-up which says AI perfect shot. So here it includes two features. One is AI best face and the second one is AI clear face. And for this feature, you at least need 3 or more people in a single photo. So I do have a photo, let me show you. And guys, one more thing, you can directly use this AI feature from the camera application itself, or else if you have already clicked a picture and you want to make changes, that can also be done. So here I'll be using an older photo. So you can see we have 3 people in the frame, and towards the right top side you can see an icon of group. Tapping on it, you will get these two options towards the bottom side. One is AI best face and the second one is AI clear face. AI best face lets you open the eye if someone have closed. So for example, if you see in this photo, my brother's eyes are closed, I can use AI best face to open the eyes. First we'll talk about the AI clear face. So here using AI, it enhances the facial details, though it's not a huge difference what you'll see. If I zoom in and tap on compare, you can see there's not much of difference because the photo was already clear. Now talking about the second feature which is AI best face. See, currently these are the new implementation and most of the time you might get to see these errors. So here I'll select a different photo. I'll use this photo. Now tapping on AI best face, you can see fixing closed eyes. AI have recognized the face, and now if I zoom in and tap on compare, you can see that AI have opened the eyes of my brother. But the eye color is completely changed, so these things won't be accurate and you won't get the actual details of yours. In OnePlus Gallery, we also have few more AI implementations. So just tap on edit. Towards the bottom side, you can see we have AI eraser, and in this we have 3 tools. One is Smart Lasso, Paint Over and Remove People. But OnePlus AI Eraser is one of the worst AI eraser I have ever used. I'll tell you guys why. So for example, if I have to remove people from this photo, if I tap on remove people, it will hardly select few of them. Tapping on remove all, the AI eraser is not perfect on OnePlus. And it doesn't give us options to select more people, it just gives us an option to remove people in what AI have selected, as you can see here. And now talking about other tools. So first one is Smart Lasso. Here you just have to draw a circle on the subject, AI will analyze it and hopefully this time it removes. Because most of the times what I have seen, it adds a different subject which you can see here in this video. And if I tap on compare, you can see funny AI in action. This is not the first time guys, it happens many times. Now let's select this different image and hopefully here OnePlus removes the subject from the photo. We'll select the same lasso tool, I'll circle the subject. And yes, here it did remove. The same way paint over tool works, you just have to select the paint over, increase or decrease the size of the brush, and depending on it, you can paint over the subjects whichever you want to remove from the image. There we go. As said, OnePlus AI Eraser is kind of fun playing around, which you can see here in this photo. Then we also have the advanced version of Auto Pixelate, which can be found here. Tapping on edit, scroll towards the right hand side. Here we have a pixelate option. Tapping on it, you just have to tap on auto. The AI will analyze the content and accordingly it will blur out the sensitive information. And this feature is already there on other OnePlus smartphones, so you guys must be aware how does it work. Now talking about other application which has the implementation of AI, and that's the recorder application. So I've already performed 2 tests here. So for example, if you're recording any audio, like if you're in a lecture, you can just record the audio, and towards the left hand side we have an option of summarize. So here the AI will generate the text summary of the recorded audio. You can see, and that gets saved into notes. I don't know, for some reason it only shows Hindi language. Tapping on these 3 dots, I only found the option of voice input language. There is no option to make changes in the voice output language. By default it selects Hindi language, and in input language also we have only 2 options, one is English and Chinese. I hope OnePlus adds more language support and like more features, but it's also a kind of useful feature which OnePlus have added. Another AI implementation is screen recognition. So in the summary it says you have to take a screenshot, tap on the extract content option, and then later on open the sidebar and you should see an option of screen recognition. I did try out multiple times, but it doesn't work. So for example, if I take a screenshot, tap on extract content and open sidebar, I don't get to see anything like screen recognition or extract content. So I'm not sure exactly how does it work, but if you guys are aware, let me know in the comment section. But another feature is this AI extract content. Using AI, you can extract content present on the screen. You do have options like you can manually select the content which you want to copy, or or else you can also extract the entire content. And it's not only limited to text, you also have the ability to extract the images. Later you can save it to file doc. And the same way you can also do it with the text. Select the text, long press on it, and move it to file doc. After that, there are two more implementations what they have done. So for example, if you have opened any article, or if you are reading something on net, you can just open the smart sidebar. There are two options. One is AI speak and second one is AI summary. So talking about the first one, which is AI speak. So AI will analyze the screen and it will start reading the content present on the screen. You do have two options for voice. One is male and female, and other things like you can replay, increase the speed, move to the next content. So this is one thing what they have added, and if you minimize, this is how it works. And the second one is AI summarize. Tapping on AI summary, again AI will analyze the data and it will create a short summary for that particular news. Later on, you can also provide a feedback by liking or disliking the summary, and you have other options like copy summary, share, and save to notes. The next AI implementation is also useful. So for example, if I have to write a mail, I can just slide the smart sidebar. Here you can see there's an option called AI writer. Tapping on it, the AI will analyze the mail, and after that you can provide the content. For example, in my case, I'll just say thanks. We have 3 different tones. According to your requirement, you can select one and tap on generate. That's it, your mail is ready. Once the mail is generated, you can just copy and paste and make other necessary changes. You also have the option to regenerate if you're not satisfied. And now let's talk about 2 communication AI features. So one of them is this beacon link, and this feature can be really useful. You can see it says call nearby people if you don't have an internet connection or the mobile signal. So on both the devices, I'll turn on airplane mode, and now let's see if this feature works. So I'll call from this number. It says connecting. And you can see I'm getting a call on this number even with the airplane mode turned on. So it can be really useful in emergency cases, and a huge thumbs up to OnePlus for adding these things. I'll just receive the call. You have the basic options to mute, use loudspeaker, and disconnect call. And it also says the connectivity depends on the environment. The communication distance support by beacon link varies from 10 meters to 200 meters. And at last, OnePlus have also added an AI link boost to OnePlus Nord 4, which allows your device to quickly reconnect to mobile network once you leave an area with no service. It's a system implementation and works in the background. So guys, these were all the AI features what OnePlus have added. Which is your favorite AI feature? Let us know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.